bye.
See you later.
See you soon.
わあ、どれも美味しそう。これ美味しそうだ。
迷っちゃう。
迷っちゃうよね。新宿に行ったらさ、臭い道があるんだよね。そうだそうだ。何これ臭いって言ったよね。そうあんまり大きい声で言うからさ、静かにしてって言ってる。
そう考えるとさ、日本ってさ、ほんと少ないよね。
あんまりない。
ないからそう思うんだよ。
あ、今日またハリスとケンジが来るって。何作ろうか。一緒にお料理したいんだってケンジが。お料理好きなんだって。いいよね。いいよ。
寒い。
上着なよ。
けど、だってこれがいいの。お姉ちゃんの。
お姉さんだから。すーちゃん今日何する？
お洋服？
お洋服どうしようか。何着ようか。
有名な人ですか。
So today, what do you want to make?
I don't know. Here is that for the gyoza, Suchan?
Natto.
Is that no? That's
This
miso.
is miso.
Sutan. The parents usually go for spring break, and during spring break, we usually try and stay at home and not go anywhere because there's gonna be crazy amounts of people.
Too much energy.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi.
はい、今日はお客様に来ていただきました。ケンジーです。
Konnichiwa. I don't know what else to say. I'm Kenzie.
Yeah, from United States.
I'm from the United States. I live in Utah, and I'm here with Moe, and she's going to teach me how to make some awesome Japanese food. I'm really excited.
イエーイ。今日もともとはね、YouTube マネージャーさんの紹介でご主人のハリスさん
こんにちは、皆さん。ご主人です。ヘリスです。
で日本に来はるってことで3週間前にうちでご飯を一緒に食べて、じゃあ今度一緒に料理しようってことでお買い物から一緒に行こうって言って夕方からまた我が家に来ています。Let's make gyoza today from scratch.
From scratch.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm a little nervous.
Is this your first time to make gyoza?
Yeah, this is my first time. I love gyoza. It's probably one of my favorite things that we eat in here.
Oh really?
I order gyoza almost every time we go out to eat. Anywhere Japanese in the US, right? It's like my favorite.
Ooh. Can you eat gyoza in United States?
Yeah, but it's hard to find a place that makes it well.
Okay.
So I love gyoza.
Yeah, but you can see this ingredient you can get in the US.
Yes, yeah, you can get all this in the US.
Yeah.
So I'm excited.
It's very easy.
The part I'm most scared about is the like dough and like pinching and the like Japanese gyoza is fried on the bottom. Like it's pan fried on the bottom. In a lot of places in the US it'll all be soft. So they don't do a good job of like the cooking method, and also sometimes on the inside it's not very good. So there are a few places, so I always try it.
Yeah.
And some places it's hit and miss.
Okay.
So I would love to be able to make it and make it really well.
So I will give you your best gyoza in your life.
That would be the best gift I could get.
Okay,
I'd be very
get
excited.
started.
Let's get started. Let's do it. I'm excited.
And miso soup も作ろう。miso soup.
Okay, yeah,
Let's-
I'm really excited for that
yeah.
too. A lot of people in the US, unless they're really good cooks, don't know that you're supposed to wash your rice.
Oh, okay.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, this is, okay, a rice box.
Rice box.
Does it keep it like fresh
Yes.
longer?
And this is measure cup here.
How much? One?
Three.
Three. So is this like a cup per box? Or actually, oh, okay.
やりたい? She wants to do it.
Oh.
すーちゃん、これピューってしてあげて。シューしてあげて。Good job.
Jaws of this. Okay. So just no measurement, you just fill it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then こうでしょ? Okay. First water is not good.
Good.
So through
Okay, I was like, don't want to pour it down the drain. Oh, that's cool. I need this.
面白いね。
I need that. Do I pour the rice?
Yes.
Okay.
Back. And
This is cool. I like doing this way better like this
And
than
one
the way
more.
that I do it in my house. Rinse twice. Or do you do it 3 times?
Twice.
Okay.
And
Different
now
things say different
you
things.
scrub the
Now I scrub
rice,
the rice
without water.
without water. Whoa, I didn't know that. Okay, so that's new.
こうして good.
Oh.
And you can see white water inside.
Yeah, so
then
it
you
gets
can
more of the starch out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
change water.
You made it look so easy. Wow, this is definitely something I needed to learn. Okay, more water.
And change the water.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Was that 4 times and then soak it?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
3
okay.
times or 4 times, at least for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very important step. Next, we'll make dashi.
Dashi.
Dashi
Yeah. Okay.
for miso soup.
Okay, perfect. I've done that before.
We have a lot of dashi,
Okay.
but kombu, seaweed, katsuo, bonnet flakes, and sardine.
Anchovies. Sardines.
Sardines.
Would it surprise you for me to tell you that you cannot find miso soup items in your average grocery store in the United States? You can't find
Like this?
these in American grocery stores, but you have to go to an Asian market, like a specific grocery store, and then there they have a Japanese aisle,
Yeah, I know.
Thai aisle, like all for like more specific items, and that's where I have to go to get
Yeah.
ingredients to make miso
Yeah,
soup. Okay.
水の中に
Just like a handful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello guys. Dried shiitake.
For the dashi.
Yeah, for the dashi.
So is a miso soup dashi, is it kind of, you can add in things that you like to it?
Yes, yes. If you don't have sari and shiitake, you can typical mushroom, normal mushroom.
Okay.
Tomato, asparagus.
Tomato, asparagus.
Yeah.
What? Or is it called a different soup base?
No, miso.
It's miso.
Yeah, I like asparagus and sausage
Sausage.
and miso soup. It's very delicious.
What? You're blowing my mind right now. I did not know that. Okay.
Boil once,
Okay.
set aside.
Okay.
Gyoza dough.
So excited. Harris, I'm going to be able to make gyoza.
1 teaspoon of salt.
Oh, this salt is interesting.
200.
Okay.
Okay, mix.
ミクサーは何と言いますか？
混ぜて。
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 Is it difficult to
No, it's
mix
just
with
the flour.
chopsticks?
I also usually use like a stand mixer.
Yeah, I know.
So I usually, when I'm making doughs and stuff, I don't usually have to mix by hand much. Did I do it wrong?
Yeah, 大丈夫。
Oh, okay.
Divide the dough.
Okay.
So let's make together.
Okay. I'm so excited.
Yeah, knead the dough until powdery gone.
Okay. So until it's like a salt, like consistency is the same all around.
Yeah.
Okay.
And nicely.
When did you start cooking a lot?
When I was a geisha, I couldn't cook at all.
Really?
Yeah, I've never washed the rice, but I go to the cooking school.
You went to cooking school?
Yeah, cooking class.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Basic Japanese home cooking I learned.
Wow, that's awesome. Very
And
cool.
I
And you
cook-
liked it?
Yeah, I cook every day since
awesome.
then. You're very good.
They're so cute.
Yeah. Can you chop the chives?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'll chop the
I'm a little nervous to
cabbage
chop
here.
them wrong because they're different than the chives I'm used to. Is there any part that I shouldn't chop?
Fine chop.
Fine chop. Okay. That smells. See, this smells different than chives
Oh,
in America. It smells.
garlic.
Yeah, it smells like garlicky.
Yeah, garlic.
I think that the Japanese chive variety must be slightly different than the U.S.
Oh,
variety.
I didn't know that.
It smells more oniony in America.
More
It's like a garlicky,
garlic.
yeah. And that changes the flavor of the gyoza, you know? So that makes sense.
Oh, I didn't know that. Always use chives in my YouTube video. So if the flavor is different, I have to change the recipe.
Oh no, I don't think you, maybe just add a tiny bit more garlic.
Ah, yeah.
maybe. I wonder if it tastes different. Yeah, it tastes way garlic. Like chives don't really have a garlicky flavor in the US. At least the chives I get.
Grounded pork.
Ground pork.
2 pinch.
2 pinch until the meat becomes white.
Yes.
I didn't know, like, does it all turn white or just like slightly more?
Slightly more
Okay.
white. If you hand warm, the meat juice become out.
Oh.
But if you hand
Yeah, my
cold,
hand's pretty cold.
you can make juicy gyoza.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, this is a really, wait, how does this work?
It's work.
What? Yeah, if you ever come to Utah, I would love to take you to the grocery store and
Yeah,
you
yes,
show
yes.
me how, I'll show you some American I'll find the best American recipes I can think of, and then
I'd love
I can take you through the American supermarket, and you can see what I would need to get to make like. Harris would love to figure out how we could make like good like sashimi and nigiri in like the U.S., but it's hard
Yeah.
to make good sushi rice and to find good fish and wasabi, and so we'll have to see if you can help us with that if you ever come to Utah.
Yeah. Can you find sushi vinegar?
Like rice vinegar?
Yeah, rice
Yeah,
vinegar.
they have rice vinegar.
1 tablespoon sesame oil.
Hands or
Hands is
is fine.
good.
Okay.
It's great.
This looks beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow. We have to make the dough.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Okay.
何高い高いおおおい何回3回高すぎました高すぎましたはい
Ah, it's very すごい上手。Very good. 上手上手。Good job. 上手よ。Okay. ぐっと力入れて。
Oh, this is much harder, Molly. This is it's much harder.
Heart. Hungry?
はい
早く作ろう。急いで作ろう。
Okay, okay.
Yes.
美味しそうこれ。
美味しそうだよね。
Over like half of it.
Yeah, half of it. Hold it
Okay.
and hold it one side.
Yeah.
これ
Okay.
リボンにしたいからこれリボンにしようか。
いいよ。
リボンできた。
すごい上手。
どこに水つけるの？
これでこのお手手にくるくるくるっと。そうそうそうそう。
There's too much filling. What do I do? Too much filling. I think I'm gonna take some.
で半分こにパッタン。そうそうそう上手。グレイ、すーちゃん上手。見せてあげてカリスに。
おすごい
My hands are wet. So, Moto and Moe, like, what do you like to eat most in like Japanese cuisine? What are your like favorite meals?
I love curry rice.
Curry rice.
Yeah.
What you made for us last time
Yeah, yeah,
was
yeah.
so delicious. It was so good.
Fried vegetable simmer is
Fried vegetables simmer.
yeah, 揚げ浸し。
Age bitashi.
Yeah, I love
So it's like tempura fried, or is it
no deep fried.
deep fried?
Not with dough, without dough.
Oh. It's more expected of men to go.
And don't worry about this, my camera's recording over there
スーちゃんの一枚やろうか。これスーちゃんの。OK。どうかな？大丈夫ですか？ハリス、Are you okay?
I don't know if I poured. Did I pour too much?
No, no, it's perfect.
Okay. I'm so
Yeah,
excited to eat
little.
this. First, I thought that was a different sound.
いい感じ。
上手です。
ああ。せーの。いただきます。あ、よく言えた。なんだ
The
ろう。
fried tofu is also so
なんだろ
good.
う。
じゃあもう見てピュって出た。
なんだろう。
How did we do?
じゃあもう
美味しい美味しい。美味しい。
Because I feel like the texture of like non-fried in the soup just turns into
い
上手です。
どうでしたか How's your gyoza making?
Absolutely the best gyoza ever. It was so good. I can't wait to make it again.
Oh, よかった。
And the miso soup. I will absolutely replace that with my former recipe. I'll be making that version every time now. Harris immediately was like, this is the best miso soup.
That was, everything was unreal. わかりますか？
Unreal?
Yeah.
It was so good.
全部は unreal です。
よ
でし
かったた。
And I'm so excited to make it again. I told Harris I'm gonna have to make it as soon as we get home and we start to miss Japan. I'm gonna have to
Please try asparagus and
asparagus in
sausage
the
miso soup.
so the dashi is
Asparagus and
sausage,
is
and
enough.
and
Miso.
do we put seaweed in it or no?
No.
So asparagus, sausage, and miso.
Miso, and if you can put tomato in
And
it.
tomatoes
Yeah,
in it.
it's very delicious.
That sounds really good. Thank you guys so much for having us.
Thank you.
It's so much fun. So we'll have to come back.
Yeah, anytime.
And you guys will have to come to Japan sometime.
Yes.
So
終わりですか？
はい、じゃあこれでいいや。
これでいいや。
still look
バイバイ。
バイバイ。バイバイ。